Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have found a solution for a technical problem and I will show you in the video. I think it will help you, and if it does, please subscribe to my channel and support me if you wish. I would appreciate that. Bye! Video help you? I hope it did, and if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.